finally found something to
The gift wrapping one was better than that.
I can't look at that freaking camera. Get my face. My eyes aren't even facing it. Whatever. So.
You said it before.
Cough drop. No, I definitely said it before. Cough drop. Let's get this fig open. I already had one of these. We should wait a little later.
Really?
Wait.
Is that what we're doing?
Sorry, I gotta leave you here, people. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you, people. Get right. Okay, I just took a big bite out of you. Wait, you're gone. Whatever, let's get into this. No! I cannot do it! No, guys, I might fail. Touch the ceiling! Okay, that's too dangerous. Cough drop will help my coughs, and I just God. Oh. I put it in my mouth and it fell out. I'm going crazy. I need to run around.
Video? That's stupid.
Yeah, I just rolled on the ground.
People don't even know what you're doing.
Yeah, I know. I'm jumping on the couch. I'm putting down.
Alright, can you stop, please?
I'm making a vlogging video.
I don't care. What did I say?
Okay. Oh, this is hard. Oh, this sounds for me. But I'm also checking out in our video. That is a really hard challenge that I did. And it's the oregano challenge. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. This thing doesn't taste so good. Let me fill this up. I'm going to turn the light on. Sorry, you guys, that's dark. It's a little bad. Fill this thing up. Okay. Okay, good. It's spilling. Okay. No. It's got on the camera some more. I'm gonna get this thing away. Okay, so I got some more right here on the bowl.
Turn the light off, please.
I don't need to turn this light. Sorry, guys. Get a little dark. At least you can get a good view of my house. Let's make it a little bit lighter. There we go. No, my water. Okay. I've been having this in my mouth for like 1 minute. Have a tissue. Spit in. Eagles game is on. I don't know
down.
the view of it. Keep right here. Oh, that's bad enough. Oh, I'm done. That's it, guys. I just can't. Can't do the challenge. Yeah. Oopsies! I dropped the camera.
Oh no. You okay?
Yup. Okay, I need some more. Okay.
Put it down. Put it down.
Yeah, you're ridiculous.
One thing at a time, okay? One thing at a time. If you're gonna get water, get water. Don't walk around with it, understood?
Nobody wants to see you get water.
Bye.